Maddur Vada is a crispy and savory deep-fried snack from Karnataka, India, specifically from the town of Madur, which is located between Bengaluru and Mysuru. A simple mixture of rice and regular flour, semolina, onion, chili, curry leaves, ginger, peanuts, sesame seeds, and spices is made into a dough, divided, flattened, and fried till crispy. Let's start with 1 cup of rice flour. To this, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of semolina or rava and a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Next, I'm going to add 1 medium onion. This is roughly a cup, and I finely sliced the onion. I like to massage the onion into the flour so it absorbs all of the moisture. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of green chilies, which I finely sliced, a 1-inch piece of ginger, which I finely chopped, and 2 tablespoons of curry leaves. I chopped these as well, together with 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves. For spices, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of chili powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of crushed peanuts, together with 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Add salt to taste, and a pinch of Asafoetida or Hing, and mix this well together. Now I'm going to add water just as I need. I'm probably going to add about a half cup. Just add a little bit in at a time, mixing as you go. I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons of hot oil. This is going to make my vadas really crisp. Cover the dough and allow it to rest for about 10 minutes. Once it's rested, I'm going to divide the dough into small little balls, and I'm going to place it on a non-stick surface. I'm using a sheet of parchment paper, but you can do this on your clean countertop or even a banana leaf. I'm going to add another piece of parchment paper or wax paper on top, and I'm going to use something to flatten it. You can always tidy up the edges with your hands. I'm going to prep all of these before I fry them. This batch is going to yield 15 vadas. Heat up some oil, and I like to use a flat bottom pan. I'm adding a tiny piece of the dough just to make sure that the oil is hot enough, and using a spatula, I'm going to lift the vada and gently drop it into the oil. I prefer to shallow fry these as I find there's less risk of breaking. Many recipes call for these to be deep fried, but I find this is a lot better and safer. Flip this over with another spatula and ensure that this is cooked on both sides. Once done, remove the vadas on some kitchen towel to drain. These are a great, crispy snack, perfect to eat with some chutney and some garma garam chai. Enjoy.